Everything he does is so freaking cool. He's got an absolutely unique style that no one can copy. The whole reason I started playing basketball was because I looked up to him. I could copy normal plays after seeing them once. No matter how hard I tried, I couldn't replicate his. In truth, I knew why I couldn't copy them.
I feel like Rhea. When I seen they wasn't the same, that put me down like Mona Lisa. First I thought and picked the gun up. He used to go to East. He said when he get out, he gonna do it right. I know he meant it. Remember back when we was kids, we was playing ball, school ball, slapping niggas' neck. I'm trying to pay me a land, bro. Still trying to tap a nigga head. This sports and rap ain't working. He said we trapping them, we scamming. Make the rap shit work for me. Cause my nigga still got Persilene. My new bitch Persilene. Yeah, this nigga must be on 30 beats. He said he turned to I play cool, but it ain't shit. Pulling flicks like Hercules on any day. Most these niggas lying. You get hold and tell a bitch you ain't no nigga. You niggas make bitch mad. He got sugar in his tank. Nigga don't call me your twin. You put pussy over pay. Can't relate, that shit played. I can't buy no baby name. If you ain't been with the gang, can't do her handshake. Rap fed like get them jacks in. I feel like Rampage. She walked in with them Lulu track pants. I be like, damn, baby. Listen, young nigga world. I'm about to start a campaign. Grown as hell, but you a kid. You need to act your damn age. They still worried about the block. I'm trying to cop